So here we are again doing this fun fizzy art project.
It's messy.
It's messy and smelly, but we like it. So we have trays full of baking soda. This caddy here is full of white vinegar with gel food coloring in them. Savvy. Phoenix. Oh, we got our little squirter guys. Have at it. Have at it.
I already put some in. Some pink in. It's really bright pink. It's a lot of pink.
Ooh.
Oh, let's make a hole that looks weird.
What does that look like?
I don't know.
A volcano?
No, it looks
Oh.
weirder.
Let's get it some up close videos here. Smelly. But so much fun. I still think it's fun and I'm 35, okay. All right. Looking good. The problem is it goes too fast, then you have to change your baking soda. So you do go through quite a bit of baking soda if you live here at our house. But it is screen-free entertainment, people. Is this a winner?
Almost.
Almost. Savvy, what do you think? Is this project a winner?
Yes.